Okay, now, what are you getting dito sa company na to? Ano po ba yung makukuha natin na product with Ultimate Cycler? Okay, so number one, we offer online marketing business tools for our members. Okay, meron po tayo niyan. We also have mobile applications, digital downloads po yan kung tawagin, plus other up and coming online products. Okay, isa-isahin po natin yan. Okay. Before we get into the applications, first let's look at what you're getting. Okay, number one, online educational suite. This is MBA, Masteral Degree without the Masteral Degree. It's valued at $197. Okay, meron din po tayong motivator application, both for Android and iPhone. Meron din po tayong Christian application, finance application, doctor breakthrough application, and of course, yung pong lead scraper software. Ito po, alam nyo, sa ibang company, ang mahal po ng benta nitong lead scraper software na to. Mamaya, dadaanan ko po yung mga products na yan. Isa-isahin ko yan. We also get a premium website. Most companies, they charge monthly for this. Okay? We also have 9 professional lead capture pages. Ano ba yung capture page at ano ba ang nagagawa niyan sa negosyo natin? I'll also discuss that. We also have a preset autoresponder system. Okay, 19 messages po yan. We also have banner space advertising for your business. Ibig po dadaanan ko yan, Addison. Stay put ka lang dyan. Ibig po sabihin yan, kung mayroon po kayong ibang mga negosyo, pwede po kayong mag-promote, no, dito po sa Ultimate Cycler, doon po sa banner advertising. And then we have the position in the 2x2 business center with instant pay. Yan po yung ating compensation plan. We also have mentorship, business building tools, support, 2 live calls po yan daily, and of course the platform. Now, you will receive all of these products and services, $2,000 value po nito, Sir Albert, but they are giving it at 99% discount. You just pay $25 one time, no catch. Yun lang po yun. Wala po ditong auto ship, wala pong monthly maintenance, wala po niyan dito. So, one time lang po ang ating kapital. Okay. Now, sabi nga natin sa panahon po ngayon, Ultimate Cycler, success is in its products. Nasa products po ang success ng Ultimate Cycler. Mobile is king. Mobile is king sa panahon po ngayon because almost everybody already has a smartphone or an Android phone. They have a tablet. Diba? That's why mobile is king kung tawagin po yan. Okay. Asa na ba yung mga sergeant at arms ko? Paki-call yung attention ng mga bagong pasok, please. Okay, these amazing mobile applications will be in your member back office once you join. Okay, you can download this for free. Ito pong personal development from mobile applications. It's going to help you be motivated every single day. Okay? So, ito po yung example niyan. Yan. This application can touch your life and even the people around you as well. It's very, very important po na tayo ay magkaroon ng magandang disposition sa buhay. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan? Kahit po gaano karami ang pera ninyo, pero kung masama or hindi naman po naaayon or tama ang pag-iisip natin, wala rin po yung mararating. That's why it's very, very important. Okay? So, ito po yan. If you download it in your cell phone, ito po yung makikita natin. Yan po yan. So, first of all, we have ito pong more, ito yung parang pinaka-main page niya, no? Yung nakikita nyo sa more. And then, meron tayo yung guest presenters. Yan. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga yan, meron po silang mga input, no? Doon sa Mobile Motivate. And then, we also have the daily reflections. No? Every day po yan. So, you just have to go through it every day. Okay? And then next, we have the mobile application. Ito pong tinatawag na Cheapskate. Ito naman po, this is financial literacy. Saving and making money. It's not just enough to make a living, no? It's important that we have to know how to take care of the money that we will be getting. Napaka-importante po niyan. Napakarami pong tao ang nagkaroon ng pera, pero dahil hindi nila alam kung paano po ito hahawakan, anong nangyayari? Nawawala din po. That's why ito pong application, this is a mobile application. Okay? So, ito pong application na to, matutulungan po tayo nito. It has video education. Okay, yan, makikita nyo, meron sa network marketing, marketing and business, home business meditation. Okay, meron din po tayong monthly education, video education about taxes, real estate, stocks and trading. We also have mortgage calculator. Okay, sa stocks and trading, meron din po. You want to invest in silver, in gold, stock investing tips, ando dun po lahat. So this product is available for download sa mga members ng Ultimate Cycler. Okay. Next we have, okay, ito pa po yung, kumbaga ito pa rin po yung makikita po natin, ano, once we logged in into our, or we open yung mga applications na yan. Ang ganda, di ba, Clay? Ang dami mo matututunan dyan. Ryan, I'm just discussing right now the products that one will be getting once you register as a member of Ultimate Cycler. Okay? So, ito naman pong ating application, third application is the Christian Inspiration. Okay? So, sabi nga, it's not enough that we earn a living. Kailangan po, balansyado daw po yan. Kailangan yung ating spiritual, nababalanse din po natin. That's why we have this Christian application. Okay, it's the Christian Motivator. So, when you download it into your cell phone, ito po yung makikita natin. Okay? So, meron po dyang inspiration quotes, meron din po dyang mga videos. This is actually to inspire us in our daily living, no? For us to connect to the higher one, whatever our religion is, no? Diba, kahit paano, we really have to. Kasi yun po yung blessing. Sabi nga natin, if you want to be blessed, we have to connect. Okay, seeing is believing. This is the mobile application number 4, Dr. Breakthrough application. If you add all of these applications, it's over $1,300 already that you will get for only $25 US. Okay? So, ito pong kay Dr. Breakthrough is also something that, you know, that can inspire you in your everyday, day-to-day living. Ito po yung kanyang application. It's also downloadable in our back office. Meron din dyang music, no? That you can listen to for inspiration. Yan. And then let's now go to the online business tools. I would just like to touch on this, no? Because right now, I am using a platform called Meetship. Ito po yung aking webinar room. I'm paying for this every month for almost $10. Okay? So dito po sa webinar na ito pa lang, I'm already spending for this. But if you're going to look at it, the competition, Aweber is an autoresponder. You have to pay $50 per month for that. And then, GoToMeeting is about $49. Yung Vimeo presentation is about $9.95. So, yung sa mga business building tools that can help you in your business, doon pa lang $108.95 a month na po ang gagastusin natin. Okay? And with GVO, as I was mentioning, ito pong ginagamit kong platform is under GVO. It's $9.95 a month. Okay? Pero, why am I saying this? Kasi po yung sa atin, $25 one-time membership, diba? Okay, ano pang makukuha natin being a member of Ultimate Cycler? Ito yung sinasabi ni JMX kanina, which is very important in our business as a marketing. If you want to do online marketing, this is very important. It is called lead scraper. Alam niyo po bang napaka-importante? Sabi nga, kung wala ka nang makuha na tao, ano ka na? NFL, member ka na ng NFL, no friends left. Yun daw ibig sabihin ng NFL, guys, no friends left. Ayaw na ng mga friends mo kasi sobrang napaso na sa kung ano-anong inalok mo dati. Hindi na naniniwala sa'yo. So, you are left with, nakadoon ka na sa kasama sa mga, sa samahan ng mga NFL, no friends left. Yun na raw yun. So, ito pong lead scraper, napaka-importante po nito. Why? Because it can extract thousands of targeted leads from the leads scraper software for use in our other opportunities. Ang value po nito alone is already $195 kung bibilhin po natin. But, again, kasama po siya sa ating membership sa Ultimate Cycler. Ano pa ang kasama dyan? Ito, Alam nyo ba kung ano to? This is lead capture page. Okay. So, di ba minsan, pag nagbibigay po tayo ng website link natin, okay, as a member of Ultimate Cycler, we all have our own replicate website. Guys, can you imagine that? For a $25 amount, di ba? Mayroon kang sarili mong lead capture page. Ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Yung lead capture page kasi, para lahat ng bibisita na binigyan mo ng website na yan, magsasubmit mo na sila ng information nila. They have to fill it up before they can actually receive information from you. Which hindi na rin ikaw ang gagawa kasi may preset autoresponder na rin po tayo. Grabe, ganun po siya kagaling. That's why ako nga sabi ko, if only people will understand the value that this product have, ay nako, hindi po kayo magdadalawang isip. Kaninang umaga may shinare ako doon sa Facebook, di ba? That is an actual message that I received in my Facebook account na nag-i-inquire about yung lead scraper software. Kasi sabi niya, kailangan niya daw yun sa negosyo niya. So sabi ko nga, imagine, ibig sabihin, the product alone has a market already. So nung nalaman niya, sabi niya sa akin, magkano po ba yan? Tapos siguro na-realize niya, sinabi nung nag-introduce sa kanya na it's only $25, sabi niya sa akin, ay, $25 lang po pala. Ang galing, panalo, join na ako. Sabi niya gano'n. So, siya na mismo sumagot dun sa tanong niya because he was able to see the value of what he was getting for the amount of $25 US. Okay? What else? Okay. You have other business that you may want to advertise. Whatever opportunity and business you have in our banner wall. This is available for $50 upgrade and above. Okay, mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga upgrade na yan, ha? But this facility, for you to advertise your other business in our banner wall is available for 50 level and above. Okay? This is being seen by 48,000 growing members of Ultimate Cycler. Sila po yung nakakakita sa mga advertisements na yan na ilalagay nyo dyan. Okay? So, it's a ready market already for your other business. Kahit ano pang negosyo nyo, kaya nasa Solavi kayo, kaya nasa Herbalife kayo, kaya ano pa man po yung negosyo ninyo, pwede po dyan mag-advertise sa banner wall natin. Sabi nga po ni Peter, as long as legal, legitimate po yung i-advertise natin na negosyo dyan, pwede daw po yan. Yes, kahit Empower Network, pwede mo siyang i-promote dyan because it's your other business. It's part of it is actually part of the benefit that you are getting as part of your UC, your Ultimate Cycler product. Diba? Kasama po kasi yan. Yun nga yung kagandahan. Yes, pwede mong i-advertise ang Crust Magic mo. O diba? Ngayon, problemahin mo na lang pag ang nag-order sa'yo, nasa abroad. Yes, anything, Addison, kahit ano pa yung negosyo natin, as long as it is legitimate. Ha? Yun ang premise nila. Kasi baka mamaya may magreklamo na scam pala yung nilalagay na, di ba, na negosyo dyan sa kanila. So, you really have to promote a legitimate business. Okay? So, it's like Tony, meron kang ibang other na business, pwede mong i-promote dyan. Okay, now, before I go on to the marketing plan, stop ko muna to.